Sobrang loyal ba sa'yo yung dark spots and pika sa mukha mo kahit pinapalayas mo na? Me, ito ang ginagamit ko, pampaputi, pampafresh, at yung mga freckles and dark spots talaga ang target niya. This is Transeno White Sea Premium. Subok ko na to at isa ito sa pinaka-trusted whitening supplement sa Japan. Formulated with high dose of vitamin C, L-cysteine, at natural antioxidants. Perfect para labanan ang dark spots and even skin tone at dullness. Meron na rin tong anti-aging benefits para glowing at parang mukhang paring bata yung skin natin. It also supports collagen production for firmer, healthier skin. At DFA approved at Japan quality kaya safe at effective. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-experience ang Kutis Japan with Transino White Sea Premium. Order now on my yellow basket and start your journey for a brighter and healthier skin. Stay confident, stay beautiful. Transino White Sea Premium, your glow, your confidence.